Hello friends, welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. How are you all? Today I am going to share with you vanilla ice cream recipe that you can make easily in 5 minutes. So for this, here I have taken 1 cup of chilled whipping cream, but if you don't have whipping cream, you can use full fat milk. Boil the milk and let it chilled and then use it. Now in next step I am using this electronic beater, but you can use hand whisker to beat this whipping cream. We have to whip it until it creates soft peak on a low speed, and you have seen this is how the soft peak creates. Now add sweetened condensed milk. I am adding 200 grams. This is approximately half tin of condensed milk. Now beat it again until everything mixed together. In the starting you will feel the batter became little bit watery, but don't worry, when you are whipping it on low speed for about 2 minutes it became more thick and create more stiff peaks. And now at this point you can check the sweetness. If you want more you can add little bit. Add half teaspoon of vanilla extract and beat one more time for about a minute. Stop the beater and it is properly stiff. Now the ice cream mixture is ready. We are looking for this type of consistency. Now take an airtight container. You can use kids lunch box also, and now pour this ice cream mixture into this box. Smooth out the surface using spatula. Cover this box using cling wrap. It is important to cover it with the cling wrap because when we are putting this into the freezer, it will help not to create the ice crystals. It creates ice crystals if you are not using the cling wrap. So important thing, you can use the cling wrap, and if you don't have cling wrap you can use the foil paper also. Now cover the lid and set it inside the freezer for about 6 to 7 hours or overnight. Then I will show you the result. It's been 8 hours. I have removed the container from the freezer and now I'm going to open it, and you have seen it's perfectly done. Now remove the cling wrap. Wow, it's perfectly set. I'll show you the closer view, and you have seen there is no ice crystals and the ice cream is perfectly set. I'm using this type of ice cream scoop to scoop out the ice cream, but you can use simple spoon, and you have seen how smoothly it is coming out. I'll show you one more time so that you can see the texture also. And this is the texture. Nobody will tell that this is the homemade ice cream without using gas. Serve it in a bowl or in a cone depending upon your choice. I'll show you one more time. And this is the second scoop. Vanilla ice cream is ready to serve. It is so delicious that after making this at home, you will stop buying from the store. It is so delicious. You can use in ice cream cone, you can sprinkle some tutti frutti or some choco chips depending upon the liking, however you want it. You can use it in your shakes. And if you like this recipe of vanilla ice cream, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and share your comments in the comment section below. Thank you. Thanks for watching. And here I want to give you one quick tip. When you want to put it in the freezer, again cover it with the cling wrap and then put it in the freezer so that there is no ice crystals when you are using it second time.